Hello everyone and welcome to your ninth Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Importing and Organizing Media. In this tutorial, we will learn how to import the media and how to organize it in order to keep our work clean and tidy. So let's start. As we have discussed in the previous tutorials, we have the media browser panel over here. So if we just click on the media browser, we can select from here where we want this to be. We can select the home directory. The home directory is the home directory for your user, or you can select any of the drives that you have, C, D, E, or any drives, any number of drives that you have. We can select them, go inside of them, and then import the media. For now, I will select the home directory, expand the window over here. As you can see, we have contacts, desktop, etc. I will go to my pictures and we have a few pics here. What we can do is you can select and import any file by left clicking, dragging and dropping into our project panel. We can select multiple files by clicking and dragging, or by clicking, holding Ctrl and selecting files, clicking the first file and holding Shift, clicking the last file, and then pressing Ctrl to deselect the files that we don't need. So we will just import the files. As you can see, we have 3 files over here. Let's import the 4th one as well, but before we do that, as you can see, after we imported these files, they showed up in our project panel. The same way, when we import this, we have to drag and drop it in our project panel and they will get imported. Let's just get this back in. We have the preview of the screenshot from before. So let's learn now about how to preview the footage. So since this was just an image, we just double clicked it, it showed over here. The same way we double click on any image and it shows up on the source video. Now here we can edit the source video, which we will learn in the later tutorials. In this tutorial, let's talk more about how to organize our files. In order to change name for your files, you can just left click once on their name and then you will be able to change their name over here. Changing their name here does not make any changes in the original files that are present outside of the software. The renaming has only been done inside of the software. You can create new folders by clicking on the new folder icon, the new bin, click, rename it, and then you can drag and drop, press shift and select all the images, left click, drag and drop inside the folder to get those images inside of the images folder. You can click the triangle over here to close the folder, and that's how we keep our work organized. Make sure to organize your work each time you import new files so that your work does not become messy and stays cleaned up at all times. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.